The mitochondria, you may or may not know what mitochondria is. Mitochondria is an organelle inside your cell. It is an organelle that is responsible for making the energy of the cell. So no cell can function without energy, right? By and large, some of them can function off of glycolysis. Cancer cells don't have to have oxygen, and they don't produce glucose in the same way as your other cells. That's what makes them so different. But generally, most of our cells, brain cells, muscle cells, bone cells, heart, whatever, need a mitochondria to make the energy currency in your body, which is ATP, adenosine triphosphate. Cartilage uses glycolysis because it doesn't get oxygen because it doesn't have its own blood flow. Okay, so you always need to have motion. This is why people in motion hurt less. People that sit around all day hurt more. Try laying in bed for 2 to 3 days without moving. I guarantee you'll be in pain. You have to move to have less pain. Exercise and movement are very, very important. So ATP and reactive oxygen species are needed. Okay, we need reactive oxygen species to some degree to stimulate the cartilage to make energy without oxygen. But by and large, we need mitochondria. If your mitochondria fail, then you get a non-communicable disease because your cells don't produce the right amount of energy. They produce too many reactive oxygen species that induces inflammation. You get a lot of detritus and dead mitochondria that don't take care of themselves. They don't get cleaned up, and they're just sitting there. And then what does a mitochondria that's dysfunctional, that's not working, just sitting there do? It sends out damage molecular patterns, which do what? Harness the immune system to cause chronic inflammation.